what is the Niken? Indeed, from the controlling head back, it's basically a MT-09, once in the past the FC-09, until Yamaha's current declaration in Milan. This foreboding figure-looking ride has a similar 3-barrel motor, however Yamaha has refreshed the wrench and filling, that affects such incessant wheelies in the MT, yet the edge is welded up from tubular steel rather than cast from aluminum like on the stripped bicycle. There are a couple of 15-inch wheels in advance, bolstered by 2 sets of modified forks that pivot at their crowns to permit the Niken to bang through corners simply like a bike. Yamaha sprang this 3-wheeled brute on us at the Tokyo Indicate before the end of last month, and now it's dropped a heap of subtle elements on the new Niken at EICMA. This apparatus is genuine, not an idea like the new Tenere 700, and is expected stateside at some point around the center of 2018 as a mid-2019 model. In case you're considering, hello, isn't this like the Piaggio MP3, you're not the only one. Niken helped us to remember that bike, as well. Be that as it may, this is no bike. You straddle the Niken like a cruiser, and the bicycle's 847 cubic centimeters triple has a standard 6-speed transmission, with an electronic quick shifter, and a slip help grip, so you get the opportunity to move and control the revs. With 2 contact fixes in advance, completely customizable suspension, the capacity to convey 45 degrees of lean point, and MT-09 push on tap, the Niken can possibly be a truly fun approach to kill a twisty street. The Niken even has footing control, ride modes, ABS, and journey control,